You obviously have the insurance. Everything is the same as DoorDash driver. You can use a beater. There's no threshold for the car. And you get all the benefits. And I think this is pretty decent, actually, because I did a few deliveries this week on Uber Eats, and it's disaster out there. It really is. Now, there's caveats in this. You cannot decline trips, okay? You cannot, cherry pick the best ones or this and that. And you're just going to have an 8-hour shift and whatever comes your way. Now, the only thing that DoorDash said is they're going to do it with 20%, right? 20% of the orders are going to go to these employees. Since these employees are hired by these logistics companies, they're not falling into the, trap, or let's say whatever, of hiring employees. So if you're in the Fresno area and if you're in Austin, apply and let me know, Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. I mean, I'm pretty sure some of our audience may be interested in this. You put a solid 40 hours a week, you get the 16 minimum, you get the tips, you get healthcare, you get the retirement benefits, you get paid time off, just like an employee would.